Hello everyone, welcome back and you are watching Technical World. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to enable gaming mode in iPhone and iPad without jailbreak and installing any kind of software in iOS 15 and later. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Now we have to active control center and you have a option here, focus. Tap on it and we have to tap on plus to add a new focus. On that page you have a option, the third one, gaming. Tap on it. Now tap next and tap, if you want to allow people for notification, then tap allow, otherwise tap allow once, is up to you. Now tap on allow only time sensitive or tap allow once, that's also up to you. If you want to turn on the gaming mode automatically, then tap on automatically, otherwise tap on skip and tap done. Now you have a gaming mode in focus. Enable gaming mode. On the second option, apps, tap on it. Now tap on plus and you have to select the games or game from the list. For example, this is my game, I'm going to select and tap done. Now you have your game in that list. Now force close setting journal, the application that are running in the background, and open control center again, tap on focus and you have a gaming option in focus. Tap to disable and tap to enable and you have to wait for few seconds. Meanwhile the gaming mode is activate in your iPhone for better gaming performance. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.